How to delete a profile in Netflix. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now you can go ahead and do this on the mobile versions of Netflix, but in my case, I'll go ahead and do this from the web browser. This step is the same. Once inside, you want to go ahead and navigate through your profile icon. And once inside, you can then go ahead and click on account. It will then go ahead and take us to the account settings right here. You want to scroll down and you want to find the manage profile option. From here, you can just go ahead and click on the profile that you want to delete. So let's just go ahead and say that I want to delete the kids profile right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. Inside, we can then go ahead and see the options for the profile lock, languages, viewing restrictions, and more. But basically, if you scroll down, you can then go ahead and see an option for delete profile. Just go ahead and click on it and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.